The Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) sixth-generation fighter is set to revolutionize air combat for the U.S. by 2030. This advanced program, initiated by the U.S. Air Force, aims to replace aging platforms like the F-22 Raptor with a suite of cutting-edge technologies that promise to ensure air superiority well into the future. The NGAD fighter will combine air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities, functioning both as a fighter and a bomber. It will be part of a system of systems approach, meaning it will work in concert with unmanned drones, referred to as loyal wingmen, which can be remotely controlled or operate autonomously. This gives the fighter flexibility to engage in a wide range of missions, including surveillance, electronic warfare, and direct combat. The NGAD fighter is expected to incorporate next-level stealth technology, making it harder to detect on enemy radar. This includes advanced materials that absorb radar waves or potentially change shape to further minimize detection. Additionally, it will feature enhanced sensor fusion, pulling data from satellites, other jets, and drones to provide the pilot with an integrated view of the battlefield. This situational awareness will allow for faster, more informed decision-making during combat. One of the most critical innovations is the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion (NGAP) system. This system could feature engines like the XA-100 Adaptive Cycle Engine, designed to switch between high thrust for combat and high efficiency for long-range missions. This adaptability gives the NGAD fighter superior speed, range, and maneuverability compared to current fifth-generation jets. The NGAD program is pushing the boundaries of AI-driven technology. Pilots will not only control the NGAD fighter but also command multiple unmanned aerial vehicles flying in formation. These loyal wingmen will provide extra firepower, surveillance, and electronic warfare capabilities. AI will also assist in target identification, threat assessment, and mission planning, reducing pilot workload and enhancing mission effectiveness. In summary, the NGAD sixth-generation fighter represents a leap forward in aerial combat technology, focusing on stealth, AI integration, advanced propulsion, and networked combat capabilities. By 2030, this platform is expected to define the future of air warfare, offering unmatched flexibility and power for the U.S. Air Force.